So guys, this is affordable only. See, if you try to make this one, follow my procedure, follow my guidelines, and that's it. You make it affordable price. Number one, our Frappe Caramel is very nice. Number one, delicious. Easy and simple. Hi vlog, welcome back to my channel. For today's videos, we discuss again another ice flavor of coffee. We discuss again now this time for today's videos. So our next discussion, guys, is about Frappe Caramel. So what is a Frappe Caramel? Frappe Caramel is another of iced coffee that we need to make an actual procedure this day. Procedure of Frappe Caramel is we need also again a blender mixing cup and caramel flavor and espresso and milk, sugar. That's it, guys. So we need that one to our Frappe Caramel. So guys, Frappe Caramel is easy and simple only. Unlike doon sa ginawa kong Mocha Frappe is more ingredients than Frappe Caramel. So let's start, guys, our actual procedure of Frappe Caramel. So guys, in Frappe Caramel we need this blender mixing cup. This one, blender mixing blender. We need this one, and then the wing scale is always our wing scale. We need to open, then read zero again. So guys, this is our next vlog, Frappe Caramel. So let's start our mixing. First, we need caramel flavor. This is our caramel flavor. As you can see, caramel flavor. So we need this one, 60 grams of caramel sauce flavor. Let's start. We need 60 grams. We already read zero our wing scale, so we need 60 grams of caramel flavor. That's it, guys, 60 grams of caramel flavor. See, I will show you the. So this is 60 grams of caramel flavor. Next is we need milk. Full fat, low fat, it's okay. No. We need to read zero first our wing scale. Then put some 150 to 200 grams of milk, low fat or full fat. I make it 200 grams now, guys. This is 200 grams of milk and 60 grams of sauce caramel. Next is we need sugar. Same before, 2 tablespoons of sugar. 2 tablespoons of sugar, guys. 2 tablespoons of sugar. That's it. that's it. Then next is our ice. Our ice, guys, is 80 grams, 6 to 7 pieces. Ice cube. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's it, guys. 7. Then next is we need espresso. As usual, espresso is another variety of this procedure, espresso. So we need espresso. Let's go. We need espresso. I always make an simple shot because we are only tutorial. The proper procedure is 2 shots. As always, the proper 2 shots. When the customer requesting 2 shots, you make it 2 shots or single shots so that they are not too strong, our flavor. So we need it single shot only. Single shot. So this is single shot. We need to fix it, then extracting. Fix. After fixing, we need to extract our espresso. This is espresso, single shot. Our espresso, guys, is single shot only, so that not too strong that flavor. So that's it, our espresso, single shot only. Okay, guys, this is espresso. We have already espresso to our caramel, Frappe Caramel. Next, we need to put this one in a mixing blender cup. We have already here all flavor. Next, we need to blend. We need to blend ingredients. This is Frappe Caramel. We already made a Frappe Caramel. Ice Frappe Caramel. We need to try this one. Try, then we need to make it a finished product. Try first. Yes, nice taste, guys. We are in a proper procedure, so this one is nice taste. Now next is we need to transfer into our final finished product. This one we need 1 glass, again 1 glass, and we need to put some decoration. This is decoration for Frappe Caramel. We need to make it decoration so that's a nice presentation. Our customer will attract our Frappe Caramel presentation. This, guys, this is our presentation. We need to transfer now this one, our Frappe Caramel. So this is our finished product, guys, our Frappe Caramel. We need to make it toppings in the upper so that we are make it design so that the proper caramel will make it more presentable. See, as you can see guys, our Frappe Caramel is very nice, very attractive. So this is our Frappe Caramel finished product. So guys, our finished product, Frappe Caramel. As you can see, there are also caramel design here in the glass and in the topper also, and there is a caramel in the topper. Next is we need to test. I am a quality controller. We need to test our finished product. So guys, thank you so much to all of you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much guys, sa inyong lahat dyan. Thank you.